Hi everybody, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and welcome back to the 30-day program. Today we are doing our third choreography of the 30 days. We are starting with ATEEZ, promise. So like last time, we're going to do this over kind of 4 days. Day 1 we'll learn half the choreography, day 2 the other half, day 3 we put it all together and review it, and then on day 4 you guys take a video so you can check your progress as you're going along, okay? So let's start with the choreography. Now I hope you've done your stretching and your warm-ups and all of that, because all of those basics that we're practicing are going to start showing up in the dance like we're doing today, okay? And again, we're just doing a small bit today so you can really focus in, get really good at this, so that you're going to have those skills to use in other dances later on as well, okay? So let's just focus in on this little bit for today. So, okay, so we're going to start with the feet together, okay? And all we're going to do for the first move is put the left foot in front. Not even a full step, just kind of tap it in front a little bit, okay? And we're going to go down, up with the right hand. The pointer finger of the right hand, no one. That's where we're moving. No one, okay? 3, 4, no one. Kick. Okay, step the left foot out to the side. The right is going to follow it, okay? So we're up on that toe there. The heel comes out, and let yourself drop down a little bit here. It'll look nicer the more bent your knees are, okay? No one, take, okay? And what we're going to do for the hands there, your left hand was down by your side, your left hand is going to come to your right hip, and your right hand is going to come over to the left shoulder, okay? And the hands are kind of flopping down a little bit, and there's a kind of a swooping into place feeling, okay? Take. Okay, take, you. So the hands swoop, and then they're gonna tap the shoulder. So there's a kind of a crossing in the air moment, and they tap the shoulders. Now this will get quite fast, so you might end up just going boom straight across, that's fine. But if you can get a bit of a crossing over, it looks a little bit more like swoopy and mystical. Okay, but let's go from the start first. Oh wait, no, higher side. Now, when we do this, I have to give you the foot for this, don't I? When we tap the shoulders for you, you're going to bring the left foot behind the right foot again, okay? So you, we're going to bring the left foot behind. 3, 4, you. Now, we don't want to end up with our whole body facing the left diagonal. So the way that we fix that is that when we step the left foot behind, we have the right heel come in, okay? So at the same time as we step, the right heel drops into place, and now we're facing the front again, okay? So we're here, take, 3, 4, you, that's it. Okay, so let's do that from the beginning. 3, 4, no one, take, you, and then we're gonna have a spin, okay? So we just learned how to do spins, didn't we? So we're gonna spin, it's gonna be a push-off spin, okay? We did those like this before. Sorry, the shoes are a bit squeaky today. I'm afraid we're gonna have to just deal with that with the spins, okay? So, but we're pushing off the left foot, okay? And it's the right foot that's doing the spinning, and we're spinning towards the left, okay? So just focusing on the right foot for now. Give me a bit of a spin. 3, 4, 3. Okay? And we only have to make it facing the right side. We don't have to get all the way back to the front. We're just going beep, 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 beep. Just that far. Okay, just 3/4. Okay, we just try the spin for me, just try and land facing the right. Here we go. 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 3, 4. Okay, so we're using that left foot behind to push us off, and we're turning towards the left side. Yeah, one more time. 3, 4. Okay, it's okay if you're unsteady because we're going to jump as soon as we land, so that's fine. Don't worry about that. Now, to give some dynamic to the spin, you're going to take the right hand and bring it over your head. So your right hand's going to pass by your left ear, and we want a kind of a 90-degree angle in the arm because it'll make it look pretty as it goes around, yeah? Okay, we try that with the spin. Here we go. 3, 4, and face the side. Stunning. Let's try that from the beginning. 3, 4, no one, take, you, down, up, and. Okay, so as soon as you finish that spin and that foot comes around, jump. Okay, so right away when that foot hits the ground, jump, and. Okay, we try that from the start. 3, 4, no one, take you down, whoop, and. Okay, now, depending on which member you look at when you do this, some of them jump their feet together, some of them jump their feet apart. I'm going to jump my feet together because we need to do a little slide here. And if I don't jump my feet together, I won't have anywhere to go, okay? But you don't have to jump your feet together. If you've got more depth behind you, you can just jump, land as you are, and then go into the slide and you'll be fine, okay? So just giving you that detail so you don't have to follow me here, okay? Whew. Okay, so as I said, we're going to do a slide towards the back, okay? So your hands are going to cross and open. So lift that knee a little bit. 1 and. Okay, so we're going to go and 1 and 2 to start with. Okay, and 1 and 2. Yes. Okay, hands and 1. So open them out, cross them over. You can keep them low. You don't have to cross them up high. And 1. Okay. Now, just bring the left arm up around about your chest height somewhere. You're going to bring your right hand to your face and just pull it across. Okay. And 2. Okay. And 2. Yeah. And 2. So we have and 1 and 2. Now, you could actually do any number of hand movements there to cover this. It's just, I'm just following what the guy in the center at this point is doing. But he also does it differently at different times in the song, and different people would do different things at that point. Okay. So you can kind of make it a bit more free in your own thing. There's a little bit of freedom with this dance as well, because there's some, like, this is more of a facial move than it is anything else. So it's not very strict on that. That's just what he thought would look attractive at the time, I think. So you've got freedom with that if you want to do something else. But we'll do the official version for now, okay? So here we go. 3, 4, and 1 and 2. Okay? Now you've got this hand pulled back here. So whatever you do want to get this hand pulled back. Okay? And then you're going to throw it over and step the right foot in. So now you're facing the front. Okay? So the timing for this with the music is whoa, whoa, way. Okay? 3, 4, and whoa, whoa, way. One more time. 3, 4, and whoa, whoa, way. Let's go from the beginning again. You guys can make those foot moves way bigger. I'm just dealing with a very, very skinny piece of visible floor space here so that you guys can see me, but you guys can make those steps way bigger. Okay? Here we go from the start. 3, 4. No one, take you down, jump, and whoa, whoa, way. Okay? So let's just let those hands fall after you throw it. Okay? Again, here's another move where it's kind of facey. Okay, so the particular chorus that I'm following, he's going like this, like blowing a kiss. Noa, Noa. So we're going to do that, but you can do whatever you want. Noa, 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 Noa. Anything you want, okay? In the second one, he does something different. So, Noa. Okay? Now, body roll time. Yay! So this is a big one. Okay, so we're lifting all the way up from the chest. Lift it up. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, and hit it. And you're going to lift up the left knee. Okay? So we're going to lift towards the left diagonal. Whoop. Into the hip. On the other side. Whoop. And again, 1 and 2. Okay? So knee and 1, 2. These are big, big ones. Okay? The focus is mainly on the chest. Rather than dropping all the way down to the hips, we're really focusing on lifting the chest. But because the knee is coming up, if you can hit that hip in there, it'll give a nice accent on the knee coming up. So really, up, 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 up. Boom, 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 boom. The chest is really what's going to make this look good. So if you start with a really good chest, the rest of it will look much better. And if you're still not used to waves, just lift your chest up for me. Up and knee and up and knee. And that'll cover a lot of it, okay? But if you can get the full wave in, please do. Big. These need to be nice and big, okay? Noa, Naya. Okay, so it's helpful that our hand is already here for that. But if you did something else, it doesn't matter, because some of the other members don't do that move and they still just put their hand up for the move, okay? If you give me a bit of a twirly point as well, that's an extra nice dynamic, but you can also just point straight. Okay? No, na, ye, pro, mi, I, is. Okay, so na, ye, pro. Okay, I want you to get the right hand up on top first. Left hand is low. And you're going to bring them down and down. So rather than just rolling inwards, it's like waves. Okay? So the right hand is going down and up. And the left hand is going up and down. Roll, roll, like that. Rather than it being a rolling in, this guy is going like that, which matches the wave of the body, okay? Which is kind of cool. Okay? So, no, wa. You need to get that lift in there. It's a very, very tiny space. No, wa, na, ye, pra, mi, I, is. Okay, so we've done our waves. So let's go one time from the very beginning, see how it's all feeling, and then we'll do the last couple of bits. Okay, here we go. 3, 4. No one, take you down, up and wah, wah, way. No wa, na, e, pra, mi, I, is. Okay, now. We've got that left foot up, so we're going to step it. Ooh. You're going to step it out to the side, and you're going to push out the left arm as well. Ooh. Now what I don't want you to do is to lean into it. Okay, I want you to leave the body where it is, just reach out with the arm, but leave the body, leave the shoulder there, just the arm goes out, okay? 1. Now here comes the right foot. 2, okay, and you're going to put out the right arm as well towards the front. Now this is a step turn that we're doing here. So we're going out. We're going to step the right foot, and the right foot's going to face the right. You're going to actually get it as far towards the right back diagonal as you can, because you're immediately going to take the left foot and step it around to the front. Okay? So we're going left, right, left in a turn. Okay? We just do that together. 3, 4, left, right, left. Okay? One more time. 3, 4, left, right, left. Okay, and then you're going to step back into the right foot, lean back, take your right hand and push it down over your body, and your left arm's going out nice and long. Okay, so you can kind of bring it over the arm if you want, or you can bring it over the left side of the body. Sorry guys, ribs are not having a good time. Just like that, okay? Each of them do something slightly different. Some of them do the arm, some of them do the body, but it's going over the side of the body rather than the center, okay? Okay? Here we go. So, leaning back, here we go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you gotta have that timing. 1, 2, 3, lean. Okay, one more time. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, lean. So there you go, 2 types of spins in there already. Okay, let's go back to the start. 3, 4. No one, take you down, up and wah, wah, way. No wa, na, ye, pra, mi, is, doom, ta, ta, woo. Okay, so that's all we're going to do for today. We'll do the other half tomorrow. So for now, we'll do it one more time without the music, and then we'll get the music 60, 70, 80, and then I'll see you guys after that again. Okay, so let's do it one more time first, and then we'll get the music. 3, 4. No one, take you down, up, wah, wah, way. Na wa, na, ye, pra, mi, is, boom, ta. Okay, let's get the music and see how it feels. 3, 4. everybody on your learning today. Now, like I said before, please only focus on what you've learned today. If you need a challenge, try focusing on your muscle memory. Try recording yourself back and seeing how you look and looking for improvements in that, rather than rushing ahead and trying to do tomorrow's or day after stuff, okay? Try and focus in on what you're doing today and make that really, really awesome, okay? You guys are doing awesome already just by being here and by getting through this today. And I will see you all for part 2 tomorrow, all right? Bye!